The idea of today is to organize a workshop about fun engagement. Fun engagement is a topic that it's getting very famous in the last few years. It's very trend word, to be honest. First of all, they will learn how fun engagement is organized, how fun engagement works in 3 of the probably most important football leagues around the world, which is Premier League because of Liverpool that is here, that is LaLiga because of FC Barcelona, and obviously Bundesliga because of Borussia Dortmund, which are top 3 clubs and top 3 leagues.
It's important to give the students the opportunity to apply the knowledge that they learned from the presentations earlier and use that in a pragmatic sense to come up with both creative and strategic solutions from a marketing standpoint. So that helps them when they go out into the workforce to look for jobs and to also explain to potential employers what their capabilities are, what their skills are, and they can also refer back to the fact that they've done this in a workshop setting.
Venimos varios clubs con experiencias reales donde se muestra claramente qué es lo que está sucediendo en la industria deportiva en términos digital, en términos de fan, en términos de estadios, en términos de jugadores, con lo cual tienen la experiencia en tiempo real de lo que está sucediendo allá afuera, que una vez acabados los estudios, allá donde vayan, al club donde vayan, pueden ponerlo en práctica directamente. El aprendizaje es ya no solo teórico, sino experiencial.
I think it's important to understand that that club life at a football club is different to normal marketing life, simply because a football club has different dimensions of craziness and emotion happening every day. So I think what marketeers that want to move into that direction have to understand that they have to always marry the marketing function with the emotion of a club, and that has an impact on their everyday job.